Hey guys, I'm here today to do some Subway Surfers. I don't have any of that special equipment or anything, so I guess I'm just gonna have to play like this. So first I'm gonna show you my characters and all that stuff. Alright, give me a sec. Alright, start from the beginning. Sorry, my light. It's hard to focus. Here, you can't see very well. Let me fix this. Just so take a second. Well, you can just like look for now. I hope you can see it a little better. Let's see. Oh yeah, it's like backwards for you. Maybe 5. Alright, never mind. Alright, so that's Trixie. So next we have that's Jake, but that's a mistake about it. But yeah, Jake. I don't have that. But I do have Mina. Yeah, it's backwards for you guys. Sorry about that. I also have Lucy. And I have a Ninja. He's in his white outfit right now. If you don't know, then that's what he regularly looks like. And then there's his other outfit. You can barely even see him. And then I have the robot. Yeah, Tagbot. He's like my favorite guy. And then last but not least, I have Tasha. Yeah, she got me my like dress high score. Alright, now hold on a sec. Alright, now I'm using the white ninja to play for now. And if you can see my high score, it is 729,423. Oh, sorry. Alright, so yeah, I'll just do it like this then. It's kind of hard because. Oh, sorry about that. I guess I'll just watch the screen. That's what you guys can see. Oh yeah, I have a ton of head starts. I guess I'll play for like a minute or two, and then I'll show you some other cool stuff I got. Oops, so. Alright. So that's it for now. Hold on a sec.
What are you doing? Hey, don't touch me.
This is my little brother. Texting.
That's not.
Say hi to the camera.
Hi.
Alright, so yeah, that's him. Wait. Alright. Well, that's it for right now. See you later. Please subscribe.